Hey everybody, my name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory and they call me the Spa Man. Today I'm going to debunk the myth that size does matter. In hot tubs, that is. I'm going to show you two hot tubs made by the same manufacturer that hold almost the exact same amount of water. Stick around. This will be very entertaining and I promise you it will be educational. The hot tub that I'm showing you right now is a J-355. It's a 2005 model. It is made by Jacuzzi. The dimensions of this hot tub are 90 inches from side to side and are 84 inches up and down. The outside dimensions from the edge of the hot tub to the ground is 37 inches tall. Again, this is a model Jacuzzi J-355. And as many of you know, I really like Jacuzzis, but I'm just doing this video to show you that it's kind of a optical illusion sometimes. In this hot tub right here, this is a 2006 model. It's there again, made by Jacuzzi. It is a model J-355. From front to back, it is 84 inches, and from side to side, it is 76 inches. Now this hot tub is only 34 inches tall from the edge of this to the ground, where the other hot tub is 37 inches tall. If you get next to the two hot tubs, you can see the difference, that there is a difference in the height of the hot tub. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna put a pump in this hot tub, and we are not gonna stop the video from the time we start pumping until we empty, I wanna say 95% of the water into this hot tub. Our goal is to be able to get the water out of that hot tub and into this hot tub to where it is above all the jets. The water should be about up to, I want to say right up to the head cushion. It might be a little bit taller, but what I'm trying to show you is there's a huge difference in size between these two hot tubs. So we're going to get the pump put into this hot tub. We're going to start pumping water. Again, we will not be stopping the video from the time we start to the time we're done. Before you empty or shut off or work on any hot tub, shut off the breaker. As you can see, we've got the pump coming in, comes out, and it comes into the bottom. This is not a sleight of hands in any way, shape, or form. This hose goes from one hot tub to the next hot tub. I want to make sure that I'm being fair to all those involved. I've been asked over the years, what's the difference in size several times? And I always tell homeowners it's an optical illusion. For several years, nobody ever believed me. In the shop for the last couple weeks, I've had two hot tubs sitting side by side that were both made by the same manufacturer. I've told several homeowners while they were looking at the hot tubs to purchase, and one was being fixed for a homeowner, that these are the exact same size. Homeowners argued with me back and forth, and I said, I will do a video to prove it to you, and I will send it to you. So this is the video that I'm putting together. We're now down just below the jets. You can see the water coming out. This water feels fantastic. It's been heated up for probably the last week or so. Wanted to make sure that the heater worked and there was no leaks and stuff. We're just starting to get up over the seats. I've had several people say there's no way all the water will fit in this hot tub. Now, I'm not saying that the water will not just come above. It'll probably come up into the head cushion somewhere. But what I'm trying to show is that a hot tub that is that much bigger and a hot tub that is this much smaller, it still almost holds the same amount of gallons. It might be a difference of 10 or 15 gallons. And we will be scooping the water out of the seats down to get it all the way down to the bottom. There will be probably a couple inches of water that we won't be able to get out of the hot tub. I know it's kind of a boring video. I do apologize, but I do not want to stop the video just so that I can prove my point. One thing I do find very interesting, when you look at the water in this particular hot tub, the water looks kind of a clear green color. But when you come over to this hot tub, the water always looks, in this particular one, kind of like a bluish white color. Never made sense to me why the smaller ones do that. That's something I've always noticed over the years. You can kind of see when I back up, you can see the green in this one and the kind of blue in that one. Kind of a unique, it's just neat. I don't know why. Right now we're about a third out of this tub and we're not even halfway on this one. Now this particular hot tub has a lounger and it seats 1, 2, 3, 4 more people. This one only seats 4 people. Some say that the lounger either takes away or gives area for water. This one, since it doesn't have a lounger, will have a little bit more area for water to go into. So that's why I've always told homeowners whenever we've done home shows or whenever we've done, shows that where I'm kind of trying to explain the difference in hot tubs, that it's usually an optical illusion on what holds more water. Right now we're about halfway down on this one. You can tell we're just about down to the halfway point on that jet. Same thing with this jet over here. But if you look over here, we're not even halfway up on this tub. So anyways, we're getting there. I hope everybody would please subscribe to my channel. I put a lot of work into it, and share it with your friends. I do enjoy the YouTube channel and I enjoy showing people how to fix their hot tubs. If there's a video that I haven't done or there's something you would like to see, please leave it in the comments. I'll try to do a video on it. I very much enjoy the hot tub business. Enjoy fixing hot tubs. I enjoy showing people that you don't have to hire a spa tech like myself or any of the other spa techs to do the work. You can fix a hot tub yourself. I tell a lot of people, it's a tub in your backyard. It's full of water and it blows bubbles. Don't go crazy. It's not rocket science. So now we're starting to get down to where the jets are starting to gurgle a little bit. This one we still got probably a good 10 or 11 inches to go. This one we're down to about the, well, we're just a little bit above the seats. So we're getting there. Again, this particular model is a Jacuzzi J-355. From side to side, it's 90 inches, and front to back, it's 84. And from right here to the ground, it's 37 inches. This particular model right here is a Jacuzzi J-325. It's 84 front to back, just like this one is the same front to back, but from side to side, this one's only 76. And again, from here to the ground, it's only 34 inches. So right now we got probably another 7 or 8 inches, but on this one, we're starting to get down to the bottom. And we will need Jacob's help a little bit, because he will scoop a lot of the water that's in the seat cushions into the bottom. So the only one I think we have, Jacob, is that one over there. I'll move the hose out of the way for you. Pull it over a little bit. There we go. We're going to try to get every single ounce of water out. I know we're not going to be able to get it all. And like I said, I know that this hot tub over here, we still got about 4 or 5 inches. And this hot tub right here, he's got the seat pretty much scooped out. And then once it gets into the foot area down there, that'll get scooped out. I wonder what happened to our other scooper.
I don't know, I've been looking for it.
Is it in that hot tub? I enjoy doing videos like this that debunk situations. A lot of myths in the spa industry. Some are true, some are not true. So I guess if they're true, they're not a myth. But anyways, we're about maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches below the head cushions. You can kind of see where we're at. The only thing we got left that has water in it is the very bottom part of that hot tub. Probably less than 20 gallons. Right now we are just about up to the bottom of the head cushion. And there is probably, what would you say, Jacob, less than 1 inch or so of water, maybe 2 inches? Well, the pump is gurgling, which means there's less than 1/2 inch of water in the hot tub. There's nothing in any of the seat cushions. That's all been cleaned out. There's nothing over here. Now there might be a gallon or two inside the, inside the hoses. That's understandable. You know, there could be a gallon or two inside the hoses. But in my opinion, I think we debunked the myth that this hot tub holds more water than this one. Or I've also been told that if you put all the water from this hot tub in this hot tub, you'll overflow the hot tub. I think I have debunked that. If I haven't debunked that, that's just my opinion. Please leave a comment in the bottom. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if subscribe. Right now, I think we've just broke our milestone of, we've been out for just a little bit over a year, and we've got approximately 105 subscribers. I'd love to get to 1,000 subscribers and the watch time to monetize this, to go a little further with the channel. I appreciate all the help. I appreciate all the subscribers, anybody that watches my channel. Thank you very much. And from all of us at the Arizona Hot Tub Factory, I hope you have a great day. Goodbye, everybody. Hey, everybody. I officially want to go on the record as saying this is not a video against Jacuzzi, Sundance, or any of their products. I personally would give anything to be a jacuzzi dealer. I'm just not a big enough dealer to sell jacuzzis. This is just a video to show an optical illusion that customers always ask me. I think jacuzzi products are one of the best products on the market. They're easy to work on. A lot of the videos that I do, I show you how to fix them. I show you how to repair them because I really believe in the product. I wish Jacuzzi would give me the opportunity to sell brand new ones. Until then, I'm just gonna continue to sell used ones, sell tough spas, sell any other kind of hot tubs I can get a hold of. But like I said, I really want to emphasize this is not a video against a jacuzzi or their products. I really think they're one of the best products on the market. Thank you for your time.